And now we learn from the Bible why the book of Enoch should never have been snatched out. Alright, for those who don't have time to watch the full video, you can get this book. It is in the bio. This is called Proof of Yah and Enoch. I wrote this book and it is downloadable. You also get a free copy of the book of Enoch, all 5 sections. Hello out there. Today I will prove that the book of Enoch should never have been removed from the Bible, and I'll be using just the number 9 to prove it. Now, I've done this demonstration before, and the Most High has given me this revelation, and I'm going to share it with you guys that don't know about this, because I did this in the past, but I'm going to do it again. And it says, when the sun rises in the heaven, he comes forth through that fourth portal 30 mornings in succession, and sets accurately in the fourth portal in the west of the heaven. And during this period, the day becomes daily longer and the night nightly shorter to the 30th morning. On that day, the day is longer than the night by a 9th part, and the day amounts exactly to 10 parts. I want you to pay attention to this. 10 parts, and the night to 8 parts. What does that mean? That means it goes through this fourth portal in April for 30 days, it said. 10 hours of light, 8 hours of darkness. Notice what it says. And it says the day longer than the night by a 9th part, and the day amounts exactly to 10 parts, and the night 8 parts. So we have 10 parts and 8 parts. All right, that's what that means. Now, I'm not going to read all of this, but when you map it out and put it on paper, it looks like this. So in May, 30 days again, but you get 11 hours of light and 7 hours of darkness. The next month, June, 12 hours of light, 6 hours of darkness. Now, these are called the first month, second month, third month, fourth month by the Most High. We call these, July, August, and all that stuff. And look at July, 11 hours of light, 7 hours of darkness. Now, I'm not going to go all the way down like that, but I'm going to go all the way down with these 18s. Look at this, 10 and 8, 18. 11 and 7, 18. 12 and 6, 18. 11 and 7, 18. 10 and 8, 18. 9 and 9, 18. 8 and 10, 18, 7 and 11, 18, 6 and 12, 18, 7 and 11, 18, 8 and 10, 18, 9 and 9, 18. Why is the number 18 on this chart? And also, here's another thing. Where are the other hours of the day? Because you only have 10 and 8 is 18, you're missing the other 6 hours. And the reason for that is because the book of Enoch says the sun goes under the earth. Now, here's where I might lose some of the followers right here. The sun goes under the earth for 7 hours in a night. Now, before you click off my page, I want you to notice what. So look at these articles. Earth is moving towards a 25-hour day as its rotation changes. Scientists at the Technical University of Munich have discovered that a day on Earth could eventually extend to 25 hours. They know something. 25 hours a day. Froze Pab. That's a book. Time to change. CERN scientists propose 25-hour day. Now, this is CERN. Look at this article. 2023. The day will last 24 hours, 56 minutes, and 24 seconds. This would be rounded up to 25 hours during the week and rounded down during the weekend. Here's another one. Earth could have 25-hour day in a day. Here's why. Earth days could eventually extend to 25 hours due to the moon drifting away from the planet, according to scientists. Now, why are they doing this? It is because they know that we are supposed to have 25-hour days, and that's why we have the daylight saving time in order to correct this. So, back to the chart. Now, what I want to show is, this is what this looks like when you put these into squares. Look, 10 hours light, 8 hours darkness. You got 10 hours of light, 8 hours of darkness. All right, look at that, 11 hours of light in May, 7 hours of darkness. And this is 11 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 hours of darkness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, where am I getting at with this? Okay, so here is the same chart. I had it blown up. Now, I want to show something. Now, when you count all these squares on this paper, all of these squares, you come up to exactly 216 squares. Now this came out of the Book of Enoch, which is not supposed to be in the Bible. All right, 2, 1, and 6 is 9. So when we fold this paper in half, let me show you what it looks like. So I folded the paper directly in half, and half of the 216 is 108. That's 9. Fold it in half again, you get 54. 5 and 4, that's 9. Now when I got to this level, I thought the game was over because I counted these whole squares and it came to 24, because 4 times 6 is 24. And then I looked at these. I noticed that these, when you combine them together, they're still a square. So that's 24, 25, 26, 27. That's 9. And when I got to this part, I thought the game was over again, because you have 4, 8, and 12, but then you had these squares and you had to do like a point, a decimal in here, because that's 12, and I seen that was 13. And then I said 0.5, okay, 13.5, and then I added the numbers, 1, 3, and 5. That's 9. So I came to the conclusion that no matter how you fold this thing, it's going to always reveal the number 9. That's why I have these little numbers over here, because this is halves. And then you got a 0.125, 0.25. When you add all of these up, it still comes to 9. So if you want a copy of this chart, I created a book. The link is in the bio. And this chart, you just fold it in half each time, and you just show your friends and families. You know, the interesting thing about every time you fold it, it roots down to the number 9. All the numbers equal 9. Like this is 216 squares, and you just keep folding in half. And I put a lot of other little facts on here, like Enoch knew about the moon being on a 532-year lunar cycle. How did he know that when he only lived for 365 years? And I put like full moons on this side, and I put new moons on this side, so you would know whenever these full moons are supposed to occur according to man, and you can match them up to the Book of Enoch to make sure that these are truly new moons here, or new moons here, and full moons here. The link is in the bio, and it is immediately downloadable, so you can have these books and begin reading today if you want to get 1 or 2. But I encourage you to at least get this one here, so you get a free copy of the Book of Enoch, and you will enjoy this chart, which is on this front of this book. The Most High inspired me to make this chart, and you would be able to have a copy of this chart and be able to show your friends and family the goodness of the Most High revealed through the number 9. Thank you.